Finding a container to keep up with everyday demands used to be a challenge. Thanks to Rubbermaid, the new standard in food storage is here. Introducing Rubbermaid Brilliance, 100% leak-proof guaranteed. Brilliance containers have an airtight seal and innovative latches to keep your food locked inside. When open, the latches reveal built-in vents for splatter-free microwaving with the lid on. The premium BPA-Free material is dishwasher safe and resists stains to keep your containers looking crystal clear and new. Brilliance containers stack perfectly to keep food visible and organized. Rubbermaid Brilliance.
Chef's Path brings you the perfect container set for leftovers and to have an easy bite on the go. The 4-sided lock lid containers keeps your food fresh and locked inside, ensuring no aroma escapes and the food remains fresh. These dishwashing safe, stain-resistant storage containers help keep your food fresh by resisting bacteria growth with their premium BPA-free material. Easily microwavable without the fear of splatter. Chef's Path containers are designed to be stackable and propagate space-saving design. Can be easily stored inside the refrigerator and are liquid-friendly.
These containers are exactly what you need. They're just the right size for leftovers, portion control, or meal prepping. These containers make life easy by being microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Lids click shut on all 4 sides, making them airtight and leak-proof. The BPA-free plastic won't break and is perfect for on-the-go snacks. They are stackable, reusable, and stain-resistant. Make life better with these incredibly designed containers.
Hey, today we want to share with you these bento boxes we got from Amazon. We have them in the color green, pink, and blue. Super fun and versatile if you are looking for your kids. These are a really great go-to box. Can you show us how they open? They have these nice handles here and a nice seal that goes on top, making these super great if you have water or anything like that. It's completely sealed, so you don't have to worry about water coming out. Have this nice...
And so do we have this
Yep.
over here.
You have this for nice little, maybe your vitamins, some dip, whatever it may be. You have your 2 trays here, and then this tray comes out too, so that's really handy. All right, so today we're just packing a little lunch for the park, and can you put your sandwich in the bottom? So we like how much room there's in, tons of room. If you wanted to add some berries in here, you can do that too. Oh, that's good. Do you need help twisting it off?
Yeah.
So really great product as far as that. These are microwave and dishwasher safe. So when it comes to cleanup or heating things up, it's really great to have that option too. Really fun packing your lunches. You can see the top, which is great because it's nice and clear, but I love how easy they are to use. You have the nice clips here that make it nice and secure. So super versatile. Take a look at that. Super fun. What do you think of these lunch boxes?
I like them.
Awesome. So really great for the whole family. If you're looking for some great lunch boxes, kid approved, check those out. We found them on Amazon.
Yes.
So here's just a nice close-up look of these boxes. Super great. I am going to show you the waterproof function by just how you can seal them, because that's really awesome. So I'm just going to add some water here. So if something's spilled, you don't have to worry about your lunch box or lunch pail leaking. It might come up the sides, which is fine, but it's not going to go out of this plastic container. So I'm going to clasp the sides, make it nice and secure. And the water's in the bottom, but I can shake it. Nothing's coming out. So love that feature. Makes it really awesome, especially if you have kids' lunch boxes that have been getting wet. These will keep them nice and dry. So love this product. Love that they come in pink, green, and blue, and overall super great.